I see Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil being in the shake-up for having a majority or being very, very close to it. Now, you still question where will you get there? 82, I think.
So with
is where
nobody else involved, there's 88.
With 87 is a majority when you take out the Count Corla, and they are going to be thereabouts.
If the numbers shape out like that, there's going to be an absolute definite preference for almost the opposite to what Simon Coveney was talking about. Picking a safe pair of hands like a political party. The independents and a selective group of independents will be supporting the government in that scenario, and some of them will even go into...
With no third party, just the two main parties and independents.
But even if you...
last night I said that on air. The idea there's going to be a third party is diminishing rapidly, and the clear preference would be for independence.
And if you look at Independent Ireland, they have 4. They may have a 5th. There, Michael Clark is still in the running there. So you tag in Independent Ireland and the ones that they already have agreements with, in your Noel Grealishes, your Sean Cannys, those ones, Lowry as well. Yeah.
But just the point is, I think it has to be clear from my own experience in government. Of course, Ivan has the same experience. But in our period of 14 years, when I was in the Dáil and in government, some of the most reliable supporters we had in those days were the Healy Rays, Michael Lowry.
I'm sure they'll thank you for saying that, Conor. Could you repeat that again?
I've said this publicly many times. They were actually, in some cases, during the downturn in 2008, they were almost more reliable at one point.
They're like backbenchers.
Well, can I, Conor,